Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, Texas Decor and More. Well, if this is your first time viewing my channel, thank you for stopping by. Well, this is going to be my declutter and organizing video. This is a spare room that we have in the house, and the goal actually is to eventually make this into a regular functioning bedroom, spare bedroom. If we ever have a guest that wants to stay the night, that is the original goal that I have for this room. Right now, I just call it my Hot Mess Express room because this is where all my seasonal decor and kind of anything goes in here. We just put all kinds of things in here. I actually did an organizing video on this room back in, I think it was the fall or the winter time, but I didn't like the placement of where the dresser was in this room. It was like right when you walk in the front door, when you open the door, it's like the dresser was like right there in your face. So in this video, what you're seeing me do is I am actually taking everything, removing it from in front of the window so that, see, there's the dresser. I don't like where the dresser was. So the goal was to move everything out of the way to move the dresser, but yet there's so much stuff in there that I had to move things around in order to be able to even move the dresser where I really wanted it at. I'm actually going to be hanging up some curtains in this video as well. This room has never had curtains in it since we moved into the house. It's over 100 degrees in Texas. It's very hot, so this room stays very, very warm, and I needed to get some curtains up in there. So the idea actually started with this dresser to do the room because a couple of weeks ago I removed all of the things that were in the lower two drawers. I removed everything out of there because the other day when I was doing my 4th of July decor video, I was looking for a certain set of curtains, okay? And I could not find those curtains anywhere. And it's like, okay, I have all these things, but I can't ever find things and assess things when I need them. So the goal was to remove everything out of those bottom two drawers. I already decluttered those two drawers and gave a lot of things away and also threw a lot of things away. But the goal in removing everything out of those two dresser drawers is because I have several sets of curtains, I have several sets of rugs, and I wanted to be able to have a place to store them instead of just like in boxes or wherever or throughout the house. So I wanted them to have a home. And I wanted to be able to say, okay, now if I'm looking for a curtain or a rug or whatever, I know exactly where it is. We don't have a lot of closet space. We have entirely too many clothes. And these are extra clothes that belong to my husband. These are like all winter things. And it's just the extra closet, so I'm kind of organizing that and getting that in order. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to cue the music, and we're just going to get busy with it. I mean, to me, it doesn't seem like the original result was what I wanted yet, but we're getting there. Like, we are getting there. We're going to get to that point, and I did remove a lot of things and declutter a lot of things in this video. I actually threw a lot of things away too, so it's, you know, it's work in progress. It's not going to happen overnight, but it is a plan, and like I told my daughter, there is a method to my madness. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's cue the music. was in the back bedroom, I have moved into this closet. Now, all these things were in here, but I took them out. And then I have like extra pillows and all the pictures and things that were in that back bedroom I have now moved into this closet to get them out of there. And then this box was actually in the closet too, and this is the throwaway pile. And so let me take you back in here so you can see the progress. I don't know if it's a lot of progress or not, but I'm still working in here, y'all. So see, all this here had all those pictures and everything. This is going to go into the garage. I'm getting this out of here. This picture, I'm actually going to wipe it down. I'm going to wipe this picture down, and I'm going to hang it here on this wall. And then I hung up some curtains. I'm not crazy about these curtains. I'm not loving these curtains at all. I don't like them, but it's just temporary until I find something else. I haven't had curtains hanging in this room since we've moved in. And so I haven't had curtains in this room at all in over a year. I know, it's terrible, it's horrible. But yeah, so like, see how much progress I've made. This Christmas tree is still in here. I moved this dresser over here. These are the remaining totes. Now, the deal with this is I'm going to actually get totes with lids, and I'm going to go through everything individually, not in this video, but eventually. I'm going to go through everything and get totes with lids. That way they won't all be piled on the floor like this. I can't put things on top of things, but if I get lids, I can kind of just stack them up so it could, look more organized, because the goal in this room is to not have it look like a junk room, but eventually turn this into a guest bedroom. But yeah, hate these curtains. Definitely gonna find different curtains.